Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to walk you through how to apply an e-visa to travel to Benin on your mobile device. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you I have opened this Benin eVisa website on my Android mobile device. The very first thing I would recommend is to read, okay, about FAQ and other things so that you know exactly what to expect and like who should apply, start validity, how long will be issued, when you should apply, at least 7 days before. Okay. Can I get money back? Most time no. How long is the processing time? 96 hours. Okay. Lasts from 1 to 90. So what type of visa card I need for payment? Okay, fine. Once you are all through that, you can go and tap on apply for an e-visa. So you need to put your email address, confirm passport number, passport expiry date, and tap on send. I'm gonna do this and then I'm gonna see you guys. Okay guys, after you do that, you get an email to the email address that you put in, where you can need to click on activate, and it will automatically bring you to this page, okay, where you have to put your details. Okay guys, I have put some sample details, but you have to put your actual details. Okay, and anything you enter must match with your passport. Okay, so I have selected your first name, last name, gender, date of birth, place of birth, country of birth, nationality, other country of nationality if applicable. India does not even allow dual nationality, so that's out of scope here. In our case, profession I did, and then phone number, one is mandatory, so you can put whatever is applicable in your case. And then like home address, you can type, country of residence you can select. So I'm gonna do this and I'm gonna tap on next, and then I'm gonna see you guys. Okay, so in the next page we have to select the duration. So let's say I go for single entry. Are you making a request from your an embassy? I select no. Fees populated, next. Date of previous travel if applicable. Date of entry, remember we had seen the processing time, so select according to that. Residential address in Benin, so if you are going to stay at hotel or anywhere, I mean if you have your accommodation planned, you know this. Duration of stay, okay. Country of departure and destination after leaving Benin, so I select like that. Okay, now if any question is not clear to you, always click on question mark. What are your means of subsistence once in Benin? Return guarantee, like you need to specify why you will return. Reasons for the trip. I select tourism. Okay, now I'm going to put some sample here, and then I'm going to tap and on next, and I'm going to see you guys. Okay, now country of, now it is asking for passport details. Country of issue, passport number and other details have been populated from the previous pages. Date of issue, next. Okay, now everything is here. So once you are okay, you can go to confirm and pay. Of course I'm not going to do that. And once it goes into processing and it is processed, we are all good to go. So this is how it works guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.